here we come in with the iRobot. This iRobot Roomba 890 was actually just released. It's integrated with an app on your phone. It's also integrated with the Alexa app. So guys, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get rid of these vacuums and pretty much just unbox the brand new iRobot Roomba. Let's get this unboxing started. Guys, so right now what we have here is the Roomba 890. It was just released roughly about a month ago, I would say. It's made by iRobot. This is their latest Roomba. It's in the 800 series. From what I know about this, it's got 5 times more the suction power that will help pick up dirt. This Roomba works in carpets, tiles, hardwood floors, pretty much any surface it can work on. There's no issues with it. The newest one in the market. It does integrate with your smartphone, and it also integrates with Alexa. So you can just ask her to start the vacuum and then it will start working. Anyway guys, you guys have waited all this time. Let's get to the unboxing. What do we have here? We've got here a iRobot Roomba, sort of like a package. It just kind of gives you some wall instructions. See what else? We've got how to plug it into the wall, an owner's guide, and a warranty. Let's see what else we've got here, guys. So we've got a line cord. Now this will go into the home base. It's pretty much the cord for that. So let's take that apart because I don't want to take it out too much. It looks like a pretty long cord because it's going to go right over there. So let's bring it out about yay much. That should work. We're going to tighten this back just so we don't have too much cords around the place. Alright. And let's see what else we've got in here. We've got one dual mode virtual wall barrier, and it does include 2 AA's with it. But this will allow you to do sort of a dome. So let's say you've got some pet food, you can put this next to the pet food and it will create a dome which will actually stop the Roomba from actually going and knocking over and creating some huge issue. It also has wall mode. So if you kind of flip this button up, it will create a virtual wall, which is what I'm probably gonna do under my, I may do that on my sofa. I may do that on my sofa because I have a lot of cables there and I don't want the Roomba getting stuck. I was also thinking I may need a second virtual wall because under my desk there are a lot of wires there too. And I don't want the Roomba to get stuck there also. What else we've got here? This is an extra filter. So it does come with an extra filter. You don't need to buy yourself one. And over here, we should have the home base charging station, guys. So you can see like dust is already getting to it. We'll attach the line cord in. Perfect. And we'll get this plugged in. Now lastly, let's see what we have here. I don't think there's anything else in the box other than the Duracell battery, which I'm probably not going to use because I have a ton of batteries that are open, guys. Alright guys, lastly we have the Roomba 890, so let's check that out really quick. It's got some, oh whoops, kind of ripped out. There we go. From what I was told, before usage, you want to at least charge this for 3 hours. Now I actually went ahead and downloaded the app and everything, so I may charge this for 3 hours before I actually show you guys. But as you can see, this looks like the carrying stand. It's a little bit different from before. I know with the newer models, they actually have it at the top where it actually just pulls out. And in the 960 and the 980, they do have an integrated camera here that will map the room. Again, I don't need anything that's that advanced. On the front here, we have access to the bin. So this is your dustbin, and also you've got your filter that's right inside. Let's pop this back in. Okay. In the bottom, we've got the wheels. It's part that rotates, and you've got the brush. Now this is supposed to be a tangle-free brush, so let's just get this started. Pull this out. Now this will control the batteries. This will help give all the charges, so let's just, okay. And that's out. And I think we're good, guys. So, feels really cool. As I had mentioned before, it does have the AeroForce performance cleaning system that's built in. Again, this is the 890. Looks like we've got some sensors at the bottom, guys. This is the 2 charging areas that will dock with the docking station. And in the front of the Roomba, you've got these little bumpers. This will help steer the Roomba in case it kind of like bumps into the wall. It will be able to turn around. And that is it. What we're gonna do, looking at the top of the Roomba, you've got a home button. You've got a power button that also says clean, so if you want to manually press clean, you can do so. And you've also got a spot. Now this is a spotter. This will allow the Roomba just to go and target certain spots in the area. It's really only 3 buttons, not that much. A lot of the times you're pretty much going to be using your app for this. It's much easier, and hopefully once I integrate it with Alexa, it will pretty much just control with Alexa. Alright guys, so let's get this set up. I'm going to get rid of these 2 vacuums and we'll charge this for about 3 hours. We'll get this, let's get some batteries for this. Now that we've got the home base set up, let's let's get the Roomba there. We're going to have it charged for 3 hours and let's hope this works out. So guys, we're going to take this right now and we're going to get this charging. We want to face this forward. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is pretty much just get this connected with here. So the lines, and let's see if this will align nicely. We do sort of have an amber light over here, and that's telling us that the Roomba needs to be charged. I was able to activate just now the Wi-Fi, and now it is connected via my Wi-Fi. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to leave this for about 3 hours, let this charge up, and then we will get it going.
1 eternity later.
I've been a million places, and never see a million faces, but I figure supernatural.
Welcome back guys, as you guys can see the Roomba 890 made it back to the dock. Anyway guys, this is an unboxing of the Roomba 890. Right now I'm going to have it clean the rest of my apartment because it didn't do a great job as yet. Because